Here I stand at beautiful 6735 Maryellen. I'm gonna do a tour here. I'll walk you through it and show you what's going on with the house. Down here, looks like we're gonna have to fix this railing. Let's go ahead and go back up front. And I'm understanding this house has been vacant for about 5 years. As scary and bad as that looks, I don't think that's actually that hard to fix. Here's your dining room. The most amazing thing is that this place has really been vacant 5 years, there's really not much of a smell. What used to be, or supposed to be, a kitchen, looks like we'd have to reinstall everything here. Looks like 2 bedrooms here on the main level. Not too bad in here. A little bit of the peeling coming off on the ceiling there. Bathroom needs probably pretty much a gut. Needs new lights, needs new floor, maybe new vanity, maybe new toilet. From outside it looked like this was living space up here, but this is actually just an attic. So we have just an attic, non-insulated. Not much to see here, just a bunch of stuff. We'll get you the details on the property, pricing, maybe some sort of bids, ARV, all that kind of stuff. And hope to work with you. Thanks.